What's up, y'all? Domino here. Welcome to my Facebook live stream here on Facebook. Eventually on YouTube, you know. It's a rainy day here in New Orleans, okay? And it's flooded in New Orleans East too, you know. Wind is blowing and everything, you know. Yep. If you gotta go out somewhere, please avoid the flooded streets. Ladies and gentlemen, please avoid the flooded streets. Okay? Yep. Sure it's a rainy day out here, you know. Okay? A rainy day here in New Orleans, you know. Never forgot to do my show in New Iberia when it was raining, you know. Some parts of New Iberia can flood too, you know. Even though it's above sea level, any place above sea level can flood too. Not just below sea level, above sea level too, okay? That's what I thought a long time ago. I thought any place above sea level wouldn't flood. That's what I thought. New Iberia is above sea level and it floods out there too, you know? Not just below sea level, above sea level too, you know? All right? Want y'all to remember that, folks. All right? All right. What a stormy day. But everybody loves a rainy night. I'm here because I love a rainy night. And I love a rainy day. Yep. Everybody loves a rainy day, you know. Okay. But I don't like rainy days in the wintertime. You know, you can easily get sick. You know. Well, we can get sick playing in the rain during the summertime too, you know. Burning hot, you know. All right. All right, about to go back inside and tend to my live stream, all right? Bye-bye, y'all.